Keto Spinach and Cheese Egg Bites. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 15 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1/3 cup shredded mozzarella, 1/2 cup chopped spinach, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder, pinch of salt and pepper. Procedure: 1. Preheat oven to 400 F. Line a muffin tin with paper liners or non-stick cooking spray. 2. Beat eggs, nutmeg powder, salt, and pepper in a bowl. 3. Fold in cheese and chopped spinach. 4. Pour the mixture into muffin cups and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Nutritional information. Energy 240 kilocalories. Protein 19 grams 35%. Fat 16 grams 62%. Carbohydrates 2 grams 3%. Fiber 0.3 grams. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks.